is tight, the water's dark and cold. A Project Freedom story's being told, while Hormuz waits for engines to ignite. The drones are mapping targets through the night. 3,000 gone beneath the Tehran sky, while smoke and sirens serve as a lullaby. And in the hills of Lebanon, the thunder roars as conflict spills across the ancient shores. No turning back, the ink is on the page, the headlines written for a modern stage. From the depth of the sea to the core of the land, we hold the consequences in our hand. Every line is a fact, every beat is a life, in the rhythm of the news and the edge of the night. The borders shift as NATO starts to fray. 5,000 boots are marching far away. From German soil the eagle takes its flight, leaving the neighbors shivering in the night. Across the northern line the steel grows dear as tariffs spark a billion-dollar fear. And in the streets of Persia prices soar, while hunger knocks upon a million doors. A cruise ship drifting with a silent breath, as 3 are claimed by sudden fever death. A gavel falls, the pill is out of reach, unless the highest court will bridge the breach. A screen is glowing in a child's room, while Metis code is weaving through the gloom. New Mexico is calling for a shield to guard the hearts that haven't learned to yield. But look below where Alexandria lies. 80 tons of stone begin to rise. The lighthouse secrets wake from ocean's sand, a silent witness to a vanished land. While in the east the tectonic plates collide, the Philippines seek a place for them to hide. As ash and fire rain from a mountain's peak, and ancient giants watch the modern weak. No empty words of worlds that turn or spin, just the tally of the mess we're living in.